Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton. This is Cooking with Afton. But in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Cripsy chicken potato legs. You guys would love this recipe. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make it, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel, click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my Cripsy chicken potato legs. Okay guys, so these are my ingredients for my Cripsy potato chicken legs. So over here we have some chicken legs. I already took off the skin off of it. These are my Irish potato, green seasoning, mustard hot sauce, cheese. I have to cut that smaller. Over here we have some black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, chili powder, paprika, and some onion powder. Over here we have some breadcrumbs, and here we have 1 egg. So let's get started. Okay guys, so what you're gonna do now, you're gonna just season up the chicken a little bit, not much. So you're just gonna put in some chicken seasoning here. And you're going to pour in a little bit of green seasoning, and you're going to just mix it up together, and you're going to like fry up the chicken a little bit, and then you're going to put the chicken to boil. Alright, so let's go over to the stove now. Okay guys, so I just put 2 teaspoons oil in my pan here, so I'm going to pour in my chicken now. I'm going to let it fry up 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys? Just gonna let it fry up for a bit. So the chicken has been frying up for 2 minutes on the side. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn it over to the other side. All of them. Oops. So just try to turn them over. Get a little brown on the other side as well. Okay guys, so it has been cooking on this one side as well for 2 minutes. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna boil it. So you're gonna pour some water into the pot, and you're gonna put 1 cube inside of it, and you're gonna let this boil for about say about 10 to 15 minutes. So okay guys, so while our chicken is boiling, we're gonna boil our potato as well. So the first thing you're gonna do is put some salt into the water, and you're gonna put in your potato, and you're gonna let the potato boil until it gets soft. All right, and as you can see over here, our chicken is boiling as well. Okay guys, so we'll be back when both of them finish boiling. Okay guys, so my chicken finished boiling, so I'm taking them out of the water here, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So guys, what you're gonna do now, you're gonna hold your chicken like this, and you're gonna take off all of the chicken off of the bone. You're going to take off all the chicken off the bone. Just scrape off everything. The chicken is very hot right now, but you can wait till it cools off. Right? And I'm going to take off everything. And this end part here, you're going to take off this end part here and throw it away. You don't need this end part. You just need the bone part only. Alright? So I take off everything, and you rest the bone aside. And you take another one. I'm going to take off all the chickens again. Oh God, it's so hot, but I'm running late, so I have to finish off the video quick as possible. Try to get off all of the chicken. Okay guys? And then don't forget, you have to take off this part of the chicken as well, okay? You get a clean bone like this. So all the chicken, I took all the chicken off the bone. So we're gonna do now, you could either mash it up with your fork or you could use a food processor. So I have my food processor here. So I'm gonna put the chicken now into the food processor so the chicken can shred it more small, all right? And then we're gonna just for like a couple seconds. See, and it's all done already. So I'm gonna pour this out in a bowl. So I'm pouring it out now into my plate. So guys, so my potato finished boiling now. Break it. So I'm going to turn it off and show you guys the next step. So what you're gonna do now with your potato, you're gonna mash it up while it's hot. Don't wait till the potato cool down to mash it. It's gonna give you guys a hard time. So mash it up while it's very hot. It's gonna be much easier for you. All right. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna season up the shredded chicken a little bit more. So I have my mustard hot sauce here, and over here I have the seasoning, the all-purpose seasoning, paprika, chili powder, onion powder, and you're gonna mix all the seasoning now into the chicken, just like this. And what you're gonna also do too, the potato, you're gonna put the potato now into the chicken, just like this. Make sure you put all the potato in the chicken, the mashed potato, and you're gonna try to mix everything together. You're gonna try to combine the chicken into the potato, okay, just like this. So I finished mix up the shredded chicken into the potato here. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna fry it up. So before you do that, these are the chicken bones here. This is some grated cheese. We have some breadcrumbs, some flour, and some egg. So I'll show you guys what to do now. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna put a little flour in your hands, like this. And you're gonna take out what? 2 tablespoons or so, and you're gonna spread it out into your hands like this, and then you're gonna pour in some cheese, grated cheese, and then you're gonna take the bone for the chicken and you're gonna wrap it around just like this. Just push it up. I'm just gonna wrap it gently around the chicken bone. See how simple this is, guys? This is a nice kids recipe. So I'm gonna see how it's looking, just like a chicken leg. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking here when I finish rolling out all 5 of them. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take your flour and you're gonna gently put it in your flour, just like this. Make sure you put the flour get all over it, just like this. Let's flour all of them one time. Yeah, just make one thing done and flour all of them one time. Make it easy on me. I'm also in a rush because I have to go on the road, so I'm trying my best to hurry up. So when I finish flouring all of them, I'll be back. So when I finish flouring all of them, this is how it's looking here. You're gonna put it in your egg wash, just like this. Make sure all over get the egg wash, and then you put it back into your flour again, and then you put it back into the egg wash again, and then you put it into your breadcrumbs. Alright, make sure all over you get the breadcrumbs all over. Okay guys, so all of the chicken already coated in the flour, the breadcrumbs, and the egg. So we're gonna fry it now. So now I'm gonna put in my potato legs to fry. Remember, the chicken already cooked, the potato already boiled, so this wouldn't take long to fry up. So it has been a minute. So you're gonna turn them over. So we're gonna turn this one just like this. Turn the other one. Perfect. And let fry it for about another 2 minutes again, and we'll be back. So my Cripsy chicken potato leg finished frying here, so I'm going to take them out and I'll show you guys the end result. Okay guys, so I'm going to taste my Cripsy chicken potato legs on camera and let you guys see. So this is it here, and this is my sauce here, so I'm going to taste it on camera now. So this is the chicken leg here with the potato, and then I'm going to put my sauce, and so I'm going to dip it in my sauce and I'm going to taste it on camera and let you guys see. So here it goes. Wow. Oh my god. You guys are going to love this recipe. Wow. You guys really need to try it. Wow. This is really good, guys. Gonna dip it in my sauce again and try again. Trust me guys, try this recipe, you would love it. And this is a nice recipe for your kids as well too. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. And guys, please watch my ads in my video, alright? Take care, and